Hello, my name is Dr. Myra Irani. I'm the clinic director at the Family Care Center in Lowry. I vetted a lot of places before coming to the Family Care Center. I'm someone who's been very fortunate to have had a lot of wonderful institutions that I've worked at prior to FCC, so I had very high standards and I'm very passionate about what I do. Onboarding at FCC has been absolutely phenomenal. There are so many different departments, including our HR, our operations, our clinical department, medical, you name it, and everyone has been helpful, and there's always somebody to be there to provide you support and answer any questions that you may have. There's also a lot of tools. We have what's called FCC University, which is one of my favorites. It's just something that is very straight to the point. It's concise, in other words, to where you know what is expected and you have something to refer to, which is really important when it comes to procedures and processes. We have been having rapid growth, which is definitely a blessing, but also something that reinforces one of the things that I was really invested in joining, which has to do with the mission and the values of Family Care Center, which is to provide services to more people in the environment who may not have had that opportunity in the future. As we know, in the United States, behavioral health resources are definitely lacking, and that they're not enough. It's just something that unfortunately at this point in time in society there's a really big need. So the wonderful thing about FCC is they've really invested their time and efforts to their marketing and strategies departments to where they are ensuring that the locations of our clinics are providing opportunities to environments or different cities and towns where they may not have had behavioral health all in one, where you can have both med management, behavioral health follow-up as consistent as needed. The opportunity for both in vivo, in-person therapy as well as telemed and telehealth is something that has just been thriving with our community, and also something that has definitely benefited not just the growth of the company, but providing the utmost services to people in need. The development from the ground up has been something that I actually have never experienced before, and I'm just grateful and happy to say that it was actually really fun. You really get to spend a lot of time with corporate, and I had the opportunity to literally see the bare bones of, for example, my clinic, and give input with a lot of the way that things are organized or designed. And one of the important things that I appreciate about FCC, and that also has to do with the culture, is everything is planned out. All of our providers have beautiful offices where individuals are coming in for supportive services, can be comfortable. They're very well lit with beautiful big windows. This may seem like I'm talking about something superficial, but the reality of it is it's very important for people to come into a warm environment where they feel welcome, supported, that they can get the resources that they want and need, and that they're welcome to come back whenever they want, and that we are committed to the utmost quality of services, which is definitely something that I've realized as I meet more of the staff that have been hired, or as I hire staff myself, because we really want to make sure that we have a positive community. With any environment that grows rapidly, there's always going to be natural challenges, but working with the management team here has been wonderful. As I mentioned, there's so much support through the leadership team internally at our clinics, externally in our corporate offices, and that is something that is just reinforcing for the quality services that we do provide. Ultimately, the culture here is a family. It may sound cliche because that's in our name, but that's definitely something that the Family Care Center has committed to and is putting in practice. I am very proud to be a member of Family Care Center, and I really think that it's something and a place that is going to make a difference in our world, and I am just so excited to see what we can build together.